morning, guys. It is currently like 9:50, almost 10 o'clock, and I am so behind schedule. So right now I just got to shower, brush my teeth, wash my face and stuff, and now I'm trying on bathing suits to see which bathing suit I'm going to wear to this beach event today, because that is the plan today. We're going to this beach event in Daytona. So yeah, I'm gonna see the girlies. I'm really excited. I don't know which bathing suit I'm gonna wear yet though. I tried this one on. I think this one is cute or whatever, but I don't know. I have a lot to do. I'm about to go get my nails and toes done because my nails look crazy. Don't even, yeah. My nails look crazy. My toes look crazy. I gotta be on the road by like 10, 20 something, so I'm definitely going to be late. Super late. But it's okay. We're gonna figure this thing out. We're gonna get everything we need, and we're gonna get to this event. Period. So y'all just gonna come with me today, and we are going to see where the day takes us. We're gonna go to this beach event, and then we'll probably head back to Jack's because I don't really have a reason to stay in Daytona unless like Steph got something planned or something. But other than that, just come along with me for the day, and I will see y'all in my next clip. And then this is the other bathing suit. I feel like I may have these bottoms all wrong, and I need to fix the top. But I feel like I want to go with this one only because I just posted a picture in that one, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be people that follow me on Instagram at this event, so they're most likely going to, yeah, so I might stick with this one. And then this is the outfit that I'm going to put on top of it. I might need to fix my bottoms first, because I think these are on backwards. But this one do look better underneath the outfit, of course, because the other one is a full body piece. But this is what I'm going to wear over. Oh my goodness, I need to hurry up and get to the nail shop like ASAP. And hopefully, I need to tie this up. I really was feeling the pink bathing suit, but I think we might gotta stick with the orange. We might just leave her be. Steph wants me there by 12, so we are going to do the best we can to get there at a reasonable time, okay? But I think I got everything. I want to make sure I had everything packed before I left the nail shop, because I don't want to come back home. I don't want to come back home. I want to leave the nail shop and get straight on the road. So yeah, but I think I might just stick with this orange one. Yeah, probably, because like I said, I just posted a picture, and it's my last picture. Alrighty, so now we are going to head to the nail shop and get our day started. Oh, all right, let's go. Alright vlog, we are in the car. We just left the nail shop. I am in a rush. Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody. No copyright. Anyways, so I actually need to be rushing. I just finished my nails. Here they go. My nails and toes are done. I'm gonna show y'all later. I'm about to head to the gas station, put some gas in my car, and head straight to Daytona because Jazz just called me and Steph just called me, and I didn't even get a chance to answer Steph's call. So let me run to the gas station real fast, call Steffi, and then we're headed to Daytona. She's probably gonna cuss me clean out, but it's okay. I love you, Steph. If you see this, I love you. All right, let's go. I'm ready. Peace. We gonna have to drink or something.
Okay.
Let's go around. I'm so excited. Oh, you're gonna get my feet dirty.
I'm sorry. I'm
so excited.
so excited, guys. Reunited. Sunday fun day.
2 more
It's
friends
Tucker.
coming and she don't know who
Who
it is.
is it?
She's trying to figure out who it is. I'm not telling her.
Do I know him? Like,
Hey, Steph, come tell my camera what's going on today. What's the plan for today?
I'm going to the beach. I just feel like
I
Hey guys, so today
Everybody knows. Well, probably not from my
they don't know stuff. So hey guys, I'm Steph. Today we're going to a beach day at Daytona Beach.
So what event is this? Like, is this like some Daytona people event? Is this like
It's like just a college. I think it's like Embry-Riddle, Daytona State, and BCU, but mostly BCU students go because those schools are not HBCUs, if you know what I mean. They're not really vibing with the.
Yeah.
But some of them do. Some of them might come, but most of the time it's just gonna be a lot of cooking students out there. And it's not even an event. I really just think it's just everybody going to the beach. I don't know if I should bring a speaker or what. I don't have a regular speaker. But look, we're seeing the color, guys.
No, that is so crazy. Cindy! Y'all know this is my birthday twin.
What?
My birthday is literally the day after mine.
No, literally, y'all. And we had a time for her 21st. At a time.
You know, I still will not drink Tito's to this day.
Yeah, I can't. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I was messed up, but I wasn't messed up to the point where I couldn't drive. Don't let the police hear that. But I was definitely like, man, my first time getting drunk was with Nisa and Lisa. No.
Really?
Was it? No, I lied. I don't remember the first time I got drunk. But we did get drunk a lot that summer, bro.
We had blast that summer.
We had plans back to back to back to back.
We was outside all summer. That was so fun.
That was a time, y'all. We had the barbecue, the beach again. Like, bro, come on, man. That was a time. Lisa lost her keys at the beach. Man.
But it's cool. We're gonna have a good day today. It's gonna be fun. Are we
It's
just
gonna
going
be
to the beach and then that's it?
Yeah, unless y'all want to get food after. Tight?
So how many people you got?
Just 2. Because I don't know if, well, Nina never told me she's coming with me or not. So I don't know if she's coming with me. And Vanessa, who lives across the hall from me, she asked if we were going. And I said, yeah, my friends are, I thought Liza was coming. I told her that my friends from Jax are coming. So we're all going to go together. And then she hasn't said nothing else about it. So.
Thank you. I think I showed y'all my nails already, but my nails are done. My toes are white. So yeah. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna text and see how far my friend is, and then we are going to. I guess when we get to the beach. Bye.
To the left. Bye.
Are we gonna go liquor? What do you want to drink? Yeah, I reckon. Yeah. Good. Damn. Let's do it. I got my chaser. They're getting their chasers. What you get, Steph?
I got, oh my gosh, I got a slush.
And what did you get?
A slush that can't close.
Alright, I got a quesadilla. What you get, Steph?
I got a quesadilla.
Quesadilla, what you get?
I got a tuna salad.
Let me show y'all what I'm
I got a chicken wrap.
You
see
it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you get mayo with yours?
I got
They do look a little dry.
It did, because when I saw that was like chicken macaroni. That bit did look good. Okay.
Yeah. We got our drinks, our chasers, and our shots.
Yeah.
We got Jasmine right here. Hi guys.
Tell me why she told me that you was white.
She was like,
I was a surprise person. She could be white or Hispanic.
she was trying to guess you. I'm like, hush.
I was coming out.
Alright.
It's hot as fuck out here.
It is.
Did you see the beach? It's hot.
Alright. It's shot o'clock. We about to take some shots.
And you pulled a lot.
Yeah,
it's okay. The smell's terrible, but it's good.
Alright. Cheers!
Not bad. Oh, Nisa.
Not bad, right? That shit stinks.
Oh, this is a double shot. It's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah,
Two more.
The fuck? Two
Yeah,
more,
right.
two more, y'all.
Look, y'all got the drinks. I don't. So my chest just burned.
Right. Oh. Hold on, I gotta ask something in there.
Second shot.
All right.
Cheers. Scared. Baby. That don't work.
It working.
That don't work.
Bitch, that's almost gas.
Try. It helps. It helps.
You got juice.
I didn't even take the full shot. Did I drink anything? Damn.
You tasted it. Doesn't it help? The slush?
Yeah, it does. But like,
Finish. Who finished? Who finished?
I did.
Oh, good. You finished?
College girl.
Come on, man. Come on.
Exactly.
Let's finish. Let's finish.
Like, I'm all lady.
Yeah, I'm never doing that.
It
Another shot?
Hell no.
No,
Okay.
what you talking about?
Nobody
You
rocking
gave
with
us
me, bro.
you gave us 3 shots in 1 cup.
Literally. I can't even
Make
do
it
it.
full.
I still didn't finish this one. For real. Oh, hell no. Look.
Y'all got empty cups. Come on.
It's your vlog.
Yeah, y'all. I took a shot. All right, let me finish this. I'm not taking another one. Y'all, we'll be back.
Hell no!
You doing
Stephanie, we just ate. Let it settle down. We just took 3 shots in one.
Come on.
We just ate.
the second one.
What are we waiting for? Get it all in now.
Get it all in. You see, look at you. Look. See,
It's a
God
sign,
is telling
right.
you don't need another
He
shot.
is.
Say sign.
Y'all saw
Let's
that?
wait till we go in the beach. You know, we relax, walk around a little bit.
I guess I'll listen to you.
All right.
I guess.
Because you just hoeing it.
Y'all sure you don't want no more?
No, we're good. Where's the bag though? All right, look at me, see. Y'all ready for the beach?
Yeah.
For me, Dash.
All right.
Where's your bag?
In the trunk.
Ooh, and it feels good outside too.
Hot.
Right. Steph. Last one.
I thought we were all on the same page. My fault. You gotta care about that last, not one.
Oh, they gonna run us over. I'm so excited. I just cannot wait. Yes.
Once I feel it in my eyes, then you know I'm about to get fucked up.
Not the eyes first.
Oh, I'm jealous.
You be gonna say just two?
You bitch.
I'll be trying. I'll do it again.
Okay, where we going?
Then I can't even see. This is
And you know what? I was gonna bring my thing like that too.
the tripod.
Yeah.
Oh, where we going? This way?
I exercised not one time. It was today.
Okay. Oh, geez.
Get it out.
Hell yeah. Ready for the baby to come out.
Ready for the go out.
We gotta go back to Miami for sure though.
Guys.
That was so much fun. Alright. Alright, we made it to the beach. I'm so excited. My friends are here. And then we got Steph and no, it's black people right there.
I know. So what that mean? Like no colorful shit. I'm confused.
Hey, I do not.
How y'all see that? I didn't even know.
Oh, okay. Right. That is so crazy. That is really Girl, what? He is. I know that's right. So we are still walking. Right.
Yeah, we don't know where we're going, but we looking cute doing it.
Right?
Right.
And it's like 99 degrees out here. I'm burning up.
Well, it says 75, but we gonna say it's 90.
Yes,
It's hot.
for sure. But it's so pretty outside though.
It's a nice little walk. I'm not exercising enough.
Yeah, me neither.
So let's see where we make it to. Water is cold on our feet. It's freezing. Look at you.
And they all the way back there.
Man, I'm mad because we didn't really see too many people. Like too many like
It was down
college
there.
students. Yeah. We gonna
What we doing walking down there to find them?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't.
And if we following people, but they all the way behind us, we don't know where we're going. I guess.
Well, that felt good. It did.
Oh yeah, I think I filmed the shots now. I filmed it a little
Watch out for
bit.
the baby.
So 3 more, 3 more.
3 more is crazy.
I think y'all definitely
Two?
One more.
One sounds better. One.
I think y'all should do 3 or 4.
3 or 4. Look, you're not drinking. You are not drinking. Bye, Steph. All right.
I just put 2 to make it even. Right? That's halfway. That's
2 is crazy. You can take 2 more shots.
2 more. Yeah, I got 2 more.
Oh, y'all crazy.
I got 2 more.
Yes,
But I ain't look.
Right.
I settle for a little bit before I got home. Yeah.
But we only got half of a bottle though left. So how much?
I might as well finish the bottle. At this point, just finish the bottle.
Bye.
Finish that.
We gonna see. Okay, I think we're making it somewhere now. I think it's right there.
About
If
like
it's
30
not,
minutes we've
I'm
been
gonna
walking.
cry.
Yeah, I'm
That's
okay.
not the place I'm gonna cry.
I think so too.
They look like them.
Yeah, it's real fast.
Yeah, it look like your plans.
So we go see.
I don't like that present right now because I thought that was made for
Tanisha, she shoes, you look pretty.
Thank you, babe. You look so pretty too.
Hi guys.
Vlog. Hey,
Look, we got 2 new friends. We met 2 new friends. Look, we love it. And we actually made it somewhere now.
Hey guys.
We're here, y'all. We're here. We're here.
Look at that.
So we're gonna see.
We're here.
Go over there.
Aisha?
I don't know. Well, they twerking over there, so shit, we might be in the right spot. I guess those are people, but those are her people. That's a weird little combo. We gonna see. Hey. Hey, hey, hey.
You like to dance?
She feeling the liquor. Hey, get it, get it, get it.
What? They just love it.
I'm gonna get it sexy. There you go. Where's my cup? Steph, a small baby shot. Okay. Alright, cheers. She already took it.
You gotta cheers. What's your company percent?
Like they over here playing. Jesus, I don't know. They playing sexy red.
Show them what we looking at. Show them what we looking at.
She's big. What they doing?
done with y'all for real.
What shot we on? Do you know what shot we on?
You might as well don't ask me.
I know that's right. Are y'all ready? 4 or 5. Cheers.
It's not bad.
Yeah, that one's straight. That tastes like a bake. Steph is lit. You feeling it? You feeling it, Jazz?
You feeling it, Jazz?
Look, they both feeling it. Y'all feeling it? She looks very sober. Right, she looks very sober.
I got the rest of this Esplanade to give to them. Don't worry about it.
I'm sorry. I am not sober.
Niecy is sober.
It's okay,
Don't let her fool you.
Say that.
We like that. We like that. We got the red bone here. I'm a little drunk, so.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah.
Okay, get me in there. Everyone's zone, you know who it is. Come on.
What's up? Okay.
Get in there. Come on, you know what it is. Vlogging, can I be in the vlog?
Yeah, you can be in the vlog.
Vlog, what's up, vlog?
What's
You
up?
too, you too.
Where Jasmine just go? Look at Jasmine. Jasmine, did you do it? I missed it. So sorry. Look, Jasmine, this is song too.
Put it on TikTok.
YouTube.
What's your YouTube? Yours?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Come on. All right. Go. Yeah. 10.
10?
Do it again.
You're good 11.
Thank you. He said you a good 11. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. Let's see who else we got. I know. Who? Go ahead. Hey, they got water guns. I like this baby. Hey. Okay. Yeah.
That's a vlog.
Yeah. Oh, we dapping up teams.
Y'all gonna what?
We dapping up teams.
Okay.
Look, okay. Look, I got stable water. This one's like this. That's good shit. That's good shit. Good shit here. That hurt? Yeah. I'm not trying to put on the waist for a video, so it's okay. Damn, good job. Y'all did it. You can dap up girls too.
Yeah.
Y'all see no more girls? Huh? Y'all see no more girls?
Let me look.
There's too much people.
Hi. Thank you. You're pretty.
Hey, we definitely have 10s, baby. You a 10.
Where YouTube though? Not TikTok. Oh.
Your mama. I don't know about that.
good? What's good? Will you be good? Talk to me.
We going
Dapping up 10.
Dapping 2?
Dapping up 10.
Oh, what that is? I'm a 10. You funny.
We dapping up 10s. All of y'all are pretty though. Okay, good job. Are you having a great time?
I'm drunk as fuck, y'all. This Dash drunk.
There we go. You having a good time?
Yeah.
You having a good time? Thank you.
Y'all pretty too, boo.
Jasmine's having a good time.
Oh, we having a great time.
Instead about the water.
There's a lot of people here.
We got the attitude up and
We at 50. We look big. Wait, you turn around.
We're having a great time. Okay.
I'm so glad you came. I didn't think you were gonna come. Look. Steph, she know everybody. Erin. Yes. Yes. Oh, we gotta go this way. Everybody say hi to my vlog. Hey. She is cracking up. What?
What is walking?
What happened?
I'm too drunk for this shit. It just said boom.
What's that TikTok sound?
I'm a kid.
They can't walk you, Stephanie.
You ain't doing nothing.
Okay. You so pretty. Y'all, I miss my baby.
Hi guys.
Oh, shit.
We'll be looking for you.
Hey.
Hey,
Hi, guys. Look. Hey, Ash. Hey, Ash.
That's your favorite suit. That's Niecy.
Missy.
Niecy.
Me. There we go.
I'm sorry. Hi, Niecy. That's Niecy.
We added two new people. Oh, what was three? Where the other girl? Lisa. Hi.
Mom. Step up, baby.
Why you stop?
You want me to go again, boo?
One life. What's your Instagram?
You want me to just add it to that?
Yeah.
Water.
Send on motherfucker. Hey, he's not doing it again.
Oh, he's not catching. Is it not? Down. We cannot get you.
Do it again.
Ah! Right? Look at Daytona.
Yeah, my eyes kind of low.
Daytona's cutting up.
Look at that.
Jasmine lit.
That's I like that, Dad. Yeah, keep going.
In the cut. We love it. We love that. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Yes, ma'am. We lit. We look drunk. Look, we look good. We gotta take pictures together. We do. We really do. Well, let's do it. We got all the baddies. We got all the baddies. All right, let's do it. Right, maternity photo. You're so cute. I love it. I'm your biggest fan. So cute. We love
killer. Cops pull me over, they don't want shit. I ain't broke. This ain't what it's going. You don't really feel it flying like a car.
It's time to go. We appreciate everybody coming out. Please, ladies and gentlemen, make it home safe.
Yeah, y'all gotta. Hey, get her 1,000. Too bad. Don't look too hard. Yeah.
You don't see that little bump on her head? You don't see that little bump on her head? She got concussion. Clearly you don't. Clearly you don't.
He just threw something at her head. That's crazy. On purpose.
On purpose?
He just threw something at her head on purpose. That's crazy. I don't see him apologize. That's crazy.
That's you? You threw something?
Then he threw a football though.
It hit her on purpose.
But went to the football.
How is this a find your match on the beach? It don't matter, bro. Find your match. You acting like you ain't feeling like she ain't feeling. You posting this?
What they got going on,
man? You worry about the wrong things, bro. You got a boyfriend? No. Why you don't got a nigga? All right, give my dog a rate real quick.
I just got in a relationship.
All right. Wait, hold on. What time? When did you get out of a relationship?
It's like 3 months ago.
Why you got out of a relationship? You cheated on him?
No, he cheated on me.
No. He cheated on you? Type shit. So like, rate my dog 1 to 10. Rate my dog 1 to 10.
How old are you first?
How old are you?
I'm 23.
Oh, okay. He too. So hold on, come here. Well, rate him 1 to 10.
What'd you do for a living?
He made money. Yeah, he made cheese.
I would say you like
Back up.
turn around.
There you go.
What you mean turn around? Yeah, I ain't like, he not giving you no 360. What you talking about? I'm not doing it. What I'm saying, yeah. You got a nigga? You got a boyfriend? You got a boyfriend? Okay. I got a question. Where would you take her on the first date? Yeah, first date.
Okay.
Where would you take her?
Oh shit, I'm meeting them.
You know what that is? This Chris. Oh, steakhouse. Cheese. I ain't gonna lie. Don't steakhouse? I ain't gonna lie. That's like $100 a plate.
Well, you dealing with boss man D-Lo in this thing. That boy said $100.
Hey, where your nigga at?
But you fucking with that?
You got a nigga?
I do.
You the cameraman? Good job.
I am.
Hold on, wait. Let me see the mic real quick. Alright, but yeah, you said you fucking with that? Alright, could he get your number?
Which one? Oh my gosh, y'all see that? You're stupid. You're supposed to dap him up. It's a picture. Oh.
Okay, we're by the water.
No way.
I'm in this bitch with a like
Watch it.
Camera, you want to do that? Wait, the sun. Y'all go this way. It's just a regular question.
Okay, I go this way. There you go.
All right, 3, 2, 1. So I got 2, simple, 3 really. How do you feel fat? Facts. Facts. Short fat.
Oh,
That's a whole other topic.
Huh?
How do you spell her?
This one?
I put those 2 words together. What you get? Okay, smart. No. Put the 2 words you just spelled together, and what do you get? No phone a friend. Can't phone a friend. You don't know? Try it. I might get to
Diana, say hi. You gotta say hi. Stay with me.
I don't know. I'm be real.
You gotta say hi. You gotta say hi. This ain't no Hirachi. Bad bitch, better still. You Hibachi.
What?
See the shake?
We love that.
See the shake, y'all? You see it?
Oh my goodness, y'all! It's so many people. Sunset. It's so many people here. Look at them.
It's deep as, bro. It's so deep out here, bro. Walk closer.
Look,
Y'all, it's so deep. It's so many people. I don't know what's going on, bro.
but we're having so much fun.
We're having so much fun.
And my phone about to die, so no more vlogs.
That's okay.
No more vlogs. Look at all the pretty girls.
Hi, guys.
We got all the girls. Say hi.
Hi, say hi.
They already said hi for the most part, I think.
It is so tired.
We love this.
I'm so tired.
There you go.
I can't see shit.
All right, it is later.
Hey guys!
It's a few hours later.
Hey guys, how do you feel? How do you rate your day?
It was a 10. It was,
Oh,
we had so
much
fun.
It was so much fun. We met so many people.
Right. We met some pretty girls.
We met some pretty
girls.
boys, pretty girls. It was real cool.
And then my
Even
phone
though
died.
Nisa was in like 4 interviews. I was recording. Y'all see it in the. Y'all see it. Y'all
And I
will
probably
see
ain't gonna
it.
see none of them videos.
Really? I recorded like 7 of them.
No, I'm saying like with the dudes. Like
Oh,
I don't
yeah,
know none of their
the
YouTubes.
yeah.
I think one of the dudes typed in their YouTube, but other than that, that was it.
But we good. We just got McDonald's and oh brother,
Yeah.
I'm tired. My feet hurt. But
I'm
it was
tired
so
too.
fun, y'all. I'm so glad they came. Everyone had a good
Yes.
time. Everyone got along.
We did.
No,
and it
no
was like
bad
6
vibes.
girls too.
Yeah, no bad vibes.
But
Everybody was chilling.
If you notice, anytime we bring girls together, everybody always get along. Because even at my
because
house.
girls are chill. Well, the girls that we like,
Yeah.
they're chill. Not every girl, but most of the girls they be chilling.
But we had a blast.
We had
People
blast,
was
yeah.
getting in our YouTube videos, and then they was also putting us in theirs.
Yeah.
I haven't seen Steph in forever.
Forever. She's gonna see me on the 30th, right?
Part 2.
We gotta go to a Juve foam party.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yeah, it's like Juve, but with foam, not paint.
Oh.
So it's gonna be a lot of college kids instead of like everybody.
I didn't know that, but that's going to be lit.
It's gonna be all college kids from FAMU, UCF, FIU, FAU, Miami. Like, we're gonna be lit, y'all.
Oh, you're going to let them go first?
This one? Yeah, this one.
Yeah, that's
But we
what's up.
excited, y'all. We're gonna have a blast on the 30th. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Stay tuned, stay tuned. We're gonna have a
tuned.
blast. No worries about that.
Absolutely.
No worries.
Oh, alrighty.
This was so fun. Love you guys. Bye.